Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. I am Mutalib M. Karis, and today I am going to discuss to you the central tendency. But we will focus on how to get mean, median, and mode in simplest or basic way. So first, we are going to discuss about the mean. So, to get the mean, or para makuha ang mean, we have here formula. We have the x bar equals to the summation of x over n. So, ang scenario sa first example natin is nagpa-exam si Ma'am Isra, and then up to 100. And then, 5 ang kanyang students, so ito ang result ng kanyang exam. We have 92, 84, 65, 76, and 88. So that is the set of the data. And then, sa n naman is represent kung gaano karami yung number. So in basic way or sa madaling salita, yung n natin is kung gaano karami ang set number. So, i-add lang natin ang set of value. We have 92 plus 84 plus 65 rather, plus 76 plus 88, and then i-divide natin siya into 5. So the result is 81. So now we are going to the median. So paano ba natin nakukuha ang median? So in simple way or in simple terms, ang median is from the word itself, median, which is yung sa middle. So dito, ang median natin sa example number 1 is sobrang napaka obvious na ang pinaka-center natin dito is ang 9. So therefore, ang median natin sa example number 1 is 9. Okay, so sa number 2 is 46, 23, 92, 89, 77, and 108. So, as you notice here that ang example natin is hindi siya naka-arrange. Therefore, the first step para makuha natin ang median is we are going to arrange the set of number from lowest to highest number. So, magsisimula tayo sa 23 since yan yung pinaka-lowest number, and then followed by 46, 16, 18, 14, 18. So, wala tayong nakitang na ulit na number. Meaning to say, wala tayong mode. So, here we are, you are still listening. And now I have here example that we are going to get the mean, the median, and the mode. So, find the mean, median, and mode of the data of following list. 16, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, and 23. Again, para makuha ang mean natin is we are going to add the set of numbers and divided by itself kung gaano karami. So, 16 plus 16 equals 32 plus 17, 49 plus 18 equals 67 plus 19 plus 21 plus 22 plus 23. So, 152. So, ilan ang numbers natin? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8. So, 152 divide 8 equals 19. So, therefore, ang mean natin is 19. Okay, 19. So, sa pagkuha ng median naman, so, since this is already arranged na ang mga numbers natin, and hahanapin lang natin yung median natin, yung sa pinaka-center. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, since walo ang ating numbers, so, wala tayong we are going to get the mean path ng dalawang center. 1, 1, 2, 3. So therefore, itong dalawa ang center natin. So para makuha ang median natin is we are going to add and then divide by 2. So 18 plus 19 equals 37 divide 2 equals 18.5. So ang median natin is 18.5. And lastly, ang mode natin is it occurs more often other than the other numbers. Meaning to say, ito yung nauulit na number. So as you can see, ang naulit lang naman na number natin dito is yung 16. So therefore, ang mode natin is 16. So again, para makuha ang ating mean is i-add lang natin yung set of number and divide kung gaano karami. And then ang median naman is yung center ng mga numbers natin. And if dalawa ang center natin is we are going to add and then divide itself, which is 2. And then ang mode naman is it occurs more often other the other numbers. Meaning to say, yung mga nauulit na numbers. So thank you for watching, and if you have any questions and you have any concern, clarification, don't hesitate to message me. And thank you. I hope you learned something for today. Shukran and wassalam.